Assalamu alaikum viewers. These are the greetings from Muslims. Assalamu alaikum means peace be upon you. So Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is 0580 and 4024 mathematics past paper question. It is simultaneous equation solution. Let us look at it, what it is about. What kind of the simultaneous equations are given here. It is 5x plus 8y is equal to 4. We name it 1, and the other one is 1 by 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. We multiply both sides of this equation by 2. If we multiply it by 2, each term of the equation, 2 into 1 by 2x, 2 into 3y equal to 2 into 7 means all terms are multiplied by 2. This 2 is cancelled by this, and this is x plus 6y is equal to 14. Now we can compare this equation 1 with this equation. Both have their x coefficients different, y coefficients different. We can make their x coefficients similar by multiplying this equation by 5. So that makes each term will be multiplied by 5. Now it becomes 5x plus 30y is equal to 14 multiplied by 5 is 70. This I name equation 2. And after this, we add these equations or subtract these equations. What we decide about it, let's look. These are the two equations before you. As their x coefficients are of same sign, so we subtract. Same sign means we subtract. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So we write 1 on the top, 5x plus 8y is equal to 4, and below it the second equation, 5x plus 30y is equal to 70. Now subtraction is done by changing the sign of the second equation coefficients. 5x minus 5x, this is minus 22. The subtraction of 8 and 30. Subtraction of 4 and 70 is minus 66 here. We divide both sides by 22. Minus 22, so minus 66 divided by minus 22 will be 3. After that, we can substitute this in 1 or 2, so we substitute it in 2. So what is written? 5x plus 30y is equal to 70. So 5x plus 30y, y is 3, is equal to 70. Now we shift this 90 on that side. So 5x is equal to 70 minus 90, it will be minus 20. So 5x is equal to minus 20. Dividing both sides by 5 gives x here, gives minus 4 here. So we can see one thing more as well, that value of x and y together if are substituted in equation 1, y3 x minus 4, y3. If we put y3 in it, what does that give? 24. And what we substitute x is minus 4. So this makes 3 in place of y makes 24, and minus 4 in place of x here makes minus 20. So we can see minus 20 plus 24 is equal to 4, satisfied this equation is satisfied. So we can verify the solution in the end in this way. So solution of these simultaneous linear equations is x minus 4 y 3. So viewers, please subscribe at the rate MBSZ1 and share with your loved ones, those who love mathematics as well. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.